In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can motion track a mask in Adobe Premiere Pro. So with your clip ready and selected, make sure you're in the beginning of the clip. We're going to go to the Effect Controls window. Whichever is visible, you can go to Window and then choose Effect Controls or press Shift 5. And then here we're going to click in this pen tool under the opacity option. I'm going to zoom in a bit. We're going to make a mask of the thing we want to have motion tracked eventually. Now as you close the mask, you can see that we have to invert it, which we can do. Under opacity here, we're just going to select inverted, and now it has inverted our mask. What you can do now is press this track selected mask forward button, and Premiere will start thinking and tracking the mask. And that's it. It has tracked our mask for us. As you can see now, when we play this video, the mask has been tracked. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.